Hey friends, I just want to take you for a little walkthrough of my latest mini. So I have two of these. They're from the Little Princess range by Celebr8, and I'm going to do two separate videos. So this is the little girl one. I still need to add a little bit of work on this one. I haven't quite finished adding all the finishing bits. But yeah, so quickly let's go through it. So I've just added, I had some of these, some bling. I don't think you can actually see it, but it's super cool. I had some strips of bling, so I've just added that to the side. And then opening up, the little boy and little girl album's identical, just use the different ranges. Opening up, I have got a double flap that opens, and then I've got a space, like a little pocket for bits and pieces to go in. So obviously you can cut as many or as few inserts as you want. Then onto the first page, and this is actually the insert, but it's performing the role of keeping page one closed. So you don't have to have that insert in, but it's there so that we can open, basically open this out. It should go, there we go. So it gives you space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it gives you 12 plus this one. So basically for a baby's first year, it would work really well. Okay, page 2, I've got a little fun element. You know, I always like to put little fun elements on. So it's like a little waterfall. Okay, so top and bottom, and there are 1, 2, 3 of these pages. It's magnetic, but not only is it magnetic, it also turns. So depending on whether you want landscape or portrait photographs. So it turns, it can only turn and latch one way, so there's no chance of them being put upside down because of the magnets. Then onto page 3, and we've got a little pop-up with a tag. So I've just done a little pocket pop-up, there she is there, and she's got a tag in it. So lots of space for photos there. And then on page 4, again, this is my insert, so this can pull right out. And then I've also got a little sliding part, there we go there, and another pocket. And then onto the back, I can fold in. I have got just a acetate envelope, so you can put all your bits and pieces on. So you see I've got some bits and pieces in there, and I just realized now I didn't cover that. So I'll have to go back and do that. Okay, so this is the little girl one. And I'll have a separate video to show you the little boy.